It's that time where you're finally ready to start the business, but you need a little help with a step-by-step guidance on how to start this business. I'm going to share with you the step-by-step route of get your business started. We're in Q2. And it's time to make that money. Time to make that money. And you've been watching all my videos on how to create a side hustle while working a 9-to-5 job, how to create a side hustle for under $100. But now you need the guidance to get there to start the side hustle. Let's get into it. Now, the first step you need to do to starting your business is to decide on what are you going to sell. What product are you going to sell? What service are you going to sell? So you need to have an idea of the business that you want to start off with. Now, if again, you are multi-skilled, multi-passionate, and you still can't nail it down to one, watch this video after watching this one where I did help you walk you through how to choose the right business idea to start right now. And it is better to start off with one business at a time until that business becomes scalable. You are getting a rate of return. Then you can move on to starting another business. Got it? Number 2, you need to identify your target audience. Who are you talking to, sis? Who are you selling to? Is it males? Is it females? Is it moms? Is it wives? Is it nurses? Is it career women? Where are they living? What do they like? What are they interested in? So you need to know the specific audience you're talking to. If you're talking to everybody, you will talk to nobody. So you have to be as specific as it is so that when you're marketing and when you're promoting, that person know that you're speaking to her, you're speaking to him, you are speaking to them. Is it a family? Is it a one-person thing? So for example, if you are a realtor, are you selling to first-time home buyers? Are you selling houses to persons who are relocating? Are you selling to persons who are upsizing, downsizing? So being specific to a specific target audience will help you in this business structure journey. Got it? Are you liking this video? Hit the like button. Have you yet subscribed? My algorithm is telling me that 80% of my viewers are not subscribed. Our goal is to get to 2K for Q2 in 2024, and I know that we can do it with your help. So hit the subscribe button. While you're at it, hit the notification bell so you'll see my next videos to come. Number 3, now you're going to choose your business name. Now this can be your legal name or a business name that aligns with the business that you're starting up, right? So if it's a fitness business, if it's a nutrition business, self-care, you can decide, am I going to name it like Wellness Boutique or the Wellness Lounge or whatever your name is, right? So decide on the business name. While you're choosing your business name, you have to ensure that it is not already taken. So go through trademarks, go through different social media platforms to make sure that this business name is available to you. Number 4, now you're going to go ahead and purchase your business name, purchase your domains, and get things going. This is the excited part now because you feel like, yes, things are going, things are propelling, you're getting excited. So my favorite website that I use to purchase my domains are GoDaddy. There are several different ones out there you can explore, but I like GoDaddy. While you're at it, ensure that you get all the other ending, business.com, the business name.org, .net, so other persons don't take it in the long run. Now, after you get your domains, go ahead and secure your business name on all the social media platforms, even if you are not ready to use these platforms as yet. So start up your Instagram account, your TikTok, your Facebook. Is there still Twitter? No. What's the name for the new name for Twitter now? I don't know. I've never been on Twitter, but Pinterest, all the other social media platforms that you are interested in, secure your name. And hopefully you followed the previous step where you checked before to see if those names are available before you go ahead and bought this domain. You don't want to get in any trouble, any legal trouble, setbacks while you're in your business startup phase. I know you've been so excited and you don't want to dim the bulb right now. So make sure that you follow these steps. The next step is to create a business plan. What is the mission? What is the vision for your business? What is your slogan? Where do you see your business in the next 5 years? What are the goals for your business? So go ahead and create a business plan, a business structure. Because sometimes if you're going through a bank to get business credits and loans, sometimes they will need to see the business plan. So make sure that you have a business plan ready and set before you get your business started. Now, are you ready for the next step? And this is to secure your business entity. How are you liking this so far? Am I making sense? Let me know in the comments and let me know the type of business that you will be starting up, and if this video was helpful while you're going through setting up this business. So now you're going to choose your business entity. Is it a LLC? No, this is if you're in the States. Is it a sole proprietorship business? No, this is in the States or in Canada. Or is it a corporation? So choose the business structure for you. Explore and learn about which one is right for the business that you're setting up right now. For me, I've set up a sole proprietorship business. I've set up corporation businesses. So you decide which one works better and is right for you. This is not any legal advice. It is just the steps that I've taken in setting up my own businesses. Next up is to check to see if you need any license, if there's any regulations for getting any license or any certificates for your business. So for example, being in real estate as a realtor, after walking through all these steps, I had to ensure that I have my license. I'm with a broker, with a brokerage. I paid for my license. I paid for my annual fees for my insurance and all those steps. So ensure that you go ahead and check out all the things that you need to pay for, the license, the regulations, the insurance, and all those very important steps. If you're dealing with people handling food, ensure that you have your food handler's permit certificate. If you're having like a med spa and all those, things, ensure that you have the certification. You're certified by the public health. They come in, they do their checks. If you're opening a group home, ensure that the fire people, they come and they do their checks. So ensure that you don't skip any of these regulations and license procedure, because again, you don't want this to delay the launch of your business. So do your research, get all those things, getting all your ducks lined up in rows. And next, you're going to set a launch date. Yes, this business is coming up. When is your launching date? When are you planning on launching? What are the steps involved in launching? Do you have a sale coming up, a promotion coming up? How are you planning to launch this business? Do you have marketing strategies, promotion strategies? How are you going to launch? When are you going to launch? So this is a very important step that you have to know before going on with this business. So if you have a plan to set up a business by the end of Q2, now you have to plan, set smart goals to know that you're going to do this week, that week. And by this time, you should have all these things done so you can be ready for the launch date. If it's a book you're going to write, if it's an online store that you're going to create, if it's a coaching business that you're going to create, what business is it and how long do you think it will take you to launch? Now, if this still sounds too complicated and you still have some questions, I offer one-to-one coaching. I'll put the link for my coaching, one-to-one coaching in the description so you can book a session with me, pick my brain, and I'll help you to explore even further to starting off your business successfully. Now, the last tip is to launch. After you launch, you have to promote, market. Put yourself out there. Tell everybody that you started a business. You don't want to be a closed mouth business. You don't want to be offering services, selling products, and your church family don't know about it. Your co-workers don't know about it. Your family and friends don't know about it, although some might not support you. And I did a video previously on things you should know before you start a business. I'll link it at the end for you to go check that out. And thank you so much for watching, for sticking around to the end. Go and check this one out because you will need it before you start this business. Thank you so much. Bye for now.